start the tutorial. You can check full tutorial at the description below. First, we need to print the 3D parts. Go to the tutorial page to download the STL file. Next, open your slicer. I am using Ultimaker Cura. Slice all parts and print it by part. While waiting 3D printing to finish, let's upload the program to EDUPICO. Once finished printing, you can follow this step. I am using double tape to stick the RGB LED inside the block. For this enclosure part, I am just using paper to cover the hole. You can use glue gun to stick this cover. Turn it on. Yellow button to change color. Blue button for fade animation. You can also use potentiometer to adjust brightness.